Leonard to Splitter. Green tries a three. Oh, Danny Green from downtown. They've made 9 shots in a row. Here comes Gary Neal. Neal slips, gets it to Green, hits a three. Green will try again. It's good. Danny Green. This is an inspiring performance by the Spurs. Neal touch pass to Green, another three-pointer. It's good. 13 threes for San Antonio. Green tries a three. Oh, Danny Green does it again. Play here in San Antonio. Danny Green, bang! Green is going to come in. What an ovation he'll get. 7 of 9 from three-point range. Remember, in Game 2, he was 5 for 5. So he's hit 12 of his last 14 in his first NBA final.
20 days here, a long stretch without being at Oracle. Danny Green quickly fires it. Ball deflected and picked up by Leonard. Danny Green wide open. Leonard pushing the pace, kicks it out. Danny Green puts it in.
Diaw the rebound. Spurs ought to get a shot. 7 seconds. Shot clock off. Danny launches it. Got it! Oh, mama! Nice finish. 1.6 to go. It's down the triple. Danny Green for 3. Bottom at the bottom. Danny Green, a career high for the Tar Heels. Bellinelli swings it back. Danny Green for 3. Oh, yeah! Down 7 threes tonight.
Norm into the front court to Green, triggers a three, rack it up. He's short, tracked down by Van Vliet. Brooklyn's been on a roll. Danny Green, rack it up. Jackson spinning, loses it. And the turnover, the 16th. Here's Siakam numbers. Lowry, Danny Green, just like don't know. Here's Danny. Yes! One more time!
LeBron goes baseline. It's an open Green, and the three is on target.
And he continues to win. Does not get enough credit for how special of a talent. We are watching a true artist at work every single night.
He's averaging 40 a game as Danny Green drills his third three-pointer. Kuzma penetrates, kicks to Green, and Green.
Be more aggressive in that situation.
Now they got Holiday on James. LeBron set the screen there for Green, and Green drops in the three-pointer.
Second from downtown. What a pass. Green lines it up and hits from 3.
Danny Green shooting 60% from downtown in these playoffs.
Danny Green hit his first 3 from the right-hand corner, number 4 from the left side. Green, yes. That is his 5th three-pointer, and this one from straight away. Green left free and takes advantage. Another three-pointer for Danny Green. Danny Green, head fake, three-pointer is good. It's Jordan Bell. Gets into the paint against him, blocked by Bell. Ball knocked loose, and Leonard able to save it. Danny Green for 3. Bang!
8-0 run by the Clippers. Here comes LeBron, the stutter step by Leonard in the corner for Green. Great hesitation, and that's the result tonight. Green, he's gone 4 of 4 this quarter. 5 of 5!
Oh, my goodness.